Welcome back. Symphony Limited is a stock which is on our radar. It's up close to about 7%. It's rallied 270% in 2014 and it's got a market cap of 5,500 crore. They've come out with a strong Q1. It's a June quarter ending year for them with a net sales growth of 42.5%, margins improving 390 basis points year on year and profits higher by 51%. Rupesh Shah, the ED Corporate Affairs of Symphony Limited, now joins in. Good afternoon, Mr. Shah. Thanks so much for joining in. And congratulations on a strong set of earnings. First, could you tell us what the volume growth was in Q1 and also what the growth was in your domestic business as well as exports?
Volume growth in Q1 has been about 38%. In Q1 of 13-14, we had ended up with about 1,19,000 units. In current quarter, it has been 1,64,000. And there has been about 40% volume growth in domestic business and about 32% volume growth in international business. Having said that, on CAC, that is centralized air cooling, even though absolute value is still small, but that has also registered very decent growth.
Okay. All right. Mr. Shah, can you just tell us, there's been a strong jump up in your EBITDA margins by 390 basis points on a year-on-year basis to 23.2% this quarter. What led to the improvement? Anything specific, or was it just a revenue beat and hence there was some operating costs that you all managed to control? And two, is it sustainable, these margins?
Yeah. Number one, we launched some new models. They have been received well and new models are offering better margin. Secondly, even further better mix of sale. And number three, on account of economy of scale, even in respect of fixed overheads, it has given us leverage, and as per Symphony's business model, even in the respect of the variable costs, we have succeeded to maintain it under tight control. And we are confident to maintain this kind of margin in a year to come.
Okay. So margins can be maintained around this 24% mark that you clocked in Q2, right?
That's right.
Okay. How much of this quarter did you get the benefit on the back of festive season, and will the second half of the year be as strong as what you've seen in the first half?
I didn't get your first half of the question.
Did you get the benefit of the festive season in this quarter?
Yes, we did get some benefit of extended season. In fact, for the first time it happened that even consumers bought large number of air coolers, especially in the month of July. But on top of it, so far, we have succeeded in breaking the seasonality at a distributor level.